Hi everyone, I'm going to make a pendant out of this stone. I think it's fossil jasper. And I've got a piece of like 14-inch brass wire and a piece of about 17-inch brass wire. And I'm going to take the shorter one and I'm going to double it. Hope y'all are having a good day. Looks like I need a little lotion on my hands. And I'm going to stick it right up through there. I got it too tight. Alright. Take it about halfway down. Don't have to be exact. But then I'm going to try to get it tight here. Now I'm going to have to use a different pair of pliers. Those are not wide enough. Yeah, I haven't made one with the single wire, so I thought I'd make one. See if I still can. See if I still have it. Okay. And take that across. We're going to do it point to point. And then I'm going to take that one down. So, got the point caught. Alright, and then we'll take this one across this way. This wire is stiffer than the other. Should have did this in copper, but alright. Now this is what we've got. So far. Now we're going to take this one and do a little curve. Over. Well, like I said, this wire's stiff and it ain't cooperating. Hold that one back. Try to do a little curve. There. It's the best I can do with it. I'm used to using 2 wires, so we'll do the best we can. And then we'll take it up. Leave a little bit sticking out on the side. And then wrap it around here. Yeah, let's do the same thing here. Go around. If you get it on your first try, you're doing good, because otherwise that hardens that wire and it just does not want to cooperate. Then go around. Leave it sticking out a little bit past your point, so you'll have some wire showing. Then okay, and that's what you have so far. That one's sticking up a little bit, but that's the one I think I bent funny to begin with, and then had to rebend it. And something about this brass is not forgiving. Alright, now we're going to take this. This is only going to have one place for the veil. I can't think. I'm tired. I think I need to go get something for supper. Oh, I pulled it too tight. Oh no. Oops. Don't want them. Pull it back up in here. I should have left my... Alright, it's going to be bent a little bit, but we'll put a curl. Oops. I hit the thing. Leave that there. Now. We'll go back around. Go through there. Alright, hopefully I didn't mess anything up on the front, except the bell. Let's see if we can straighten it out a little bit. We're going to leave that there for a little bit. Because since I'm only using 2 wires, I might need something else to go somewhere, so I'm leaving that. And I'm leaving that. So, now, let's tighten this one up. Probably should have done that a little bit ago. So now this is what you have. And our bell, we'll straighten that out in a minute. And that's what it looks like on the back. Now, I'm going to take and try to make a tight little swirl here. Go up. Leave it sticking out there. And see if we can go around that bell. We'll fix that bell a little bit. Now, I've got it like that. I fixed the bell, I wrapped it around it. Now, we don't have nothing on this side. And this is my longer one, so I am going to make a little curve here. Well, I'm going to attempt to make a little curve there. I guess I was going out the wrong side. We'll leave that one. Got a little curve there. This is the one that we need to make the curve out of. Go around. Go around. We're going to go down. We'll go around one more time. And take it under that. Go through that one. And I'm going to take it across and hook it here. Whenever you do this, try to line them up where what you just cinched down at the back is totally lined up with the back side of the front of that one. I need to do something on this side. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to make a little curl right there. Little curve. We're going to take it down and we're going to hide it somewhere back in here. Push that up in there and bring it forward a little bit. That's what it's going to look like. Went around back here. I'm going to cut that, I think. Yeah, I'm going to cut that. Get rid of that one. And tuck it up in there. Now we got 2 wires left. Where do we need something? Right here. And maybe right here a little bit. I mean, it's almost too much for it now, but I don't know. I might cut this one off and put a little swirl here. See which one will make a swirl there. Let's go this way. Put just a little swirl there. And go across. Yeah. Alright, what I did was I brought it across the back, put a little swirl in it. I'm going to take it across. Don't know if I'm, yeah. There. Probably there. We're going to take it through. We'll go in front of that. And then I'm going to cut it off. Take it. Bend it down. Make sure you can't see it from the front. Now it looks pretty balanced. We still have one wire there. Since I have this wad of wire here, if I want to put that there or not. Let's see what it looks like, and then we'll cut it off if I don't like it. Do a little curl there. Go back across. Sometimes you just do that to hide your wire. Oh, we need something to hold that one. So, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold all this with my fingers and I'm going to cut this. Pull it down. Put a little bend in it. Get it around that one. Well, darn it. Okay. And you can always shape it a little bit. Just try not to pull on it too much, or you can dent stuff, move stuff that you don't want moved. You gotta be gentle with those. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you stuck out to the end. That's what it looks like on the back. And what it looks like on the front. Thanks for watching, and thanks for liking and subscribing, and until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.